Spin that wheel. Press that spin button. You want some high octane. Sandstorm free games. Put it in order. 2 sucks in the beaches. Yeah. Thank you. I got the singles in there.
You can do it.
The car comes up. I have no idea what's happening.
Woo! You want more of him. The more he pops up, the better it is. Come on, come on. You want him to fill the whole screen. Come on, yes. Come on, more. Never had this. $34.
Woohoo!
And we still got the thing going.
He's gonna come through the wild in a second, I know.
Will you pull the money out of there for me? Put $3. Come on, Furiosa. So now you want more of her. You want Furiosa to fill this whole damn screen. Come on, Furiosa. Yes. Come on. Light it up. Nice. Come on. Nice. Come on, Furiosa. Come on. You gotta connect right there. Come on, Furiosa.
Still connects it.
24 something?
I have no
Come
idea.
on.
Sometimes that car screeches up and just drops wilds everywhere.
Come on. One more left. Well, that's the best we've done on this in a while. We usually just lose all our money. But I've never even had this.
Hey, watch out.
Come on, hook it up! Well, end of the game. Yeah, the game's
I
over.
just had the same thing and I had 9 of them.
To Valhalla!
They make me want to put my money back in.
Negative.